So admittedly, this one is probably really just for the grammar nerds like me out there. Probably not super helpful to you, but it's at least a fun fact. The difference between Umlaut and Ablaut in languages. Now, if you've learned German before, or if you're learning a language like that, you might be familiar with the term Umlaut already. It is more than just the two dots over certain vowels in German. It is actually a feature of grammar where there are vowel changes within certain words. In English, we do actually have it. Think about how the word foot changes to feet to denote the pluralization in that case. Coincidentally, a similar thing happens in German, but more to the point, that vowel change is an example of umlaut. Ablaut is a similar vowel change, but for a different reason. Think about the word sing in English. Sing, sang, sung. That vowel change is an example of ablaut. Yes, it's a vowel change in the same way of foot, feet, but for a different purpose. In this case, sing, sang, sung represents the same action in different times. So, again, probably just a fun fact for grammar nerds like me. Maybe it helps you make sense of some things that have been tripping you up. Let me know in a comment down below if it helps you or if you still have questions. Like this if you liked it, follow for more, and I hope I will see you in the next one.